Hey everyone, my name is Leximarcellaa, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 tips I wish I knew before I transitioned to I didn't really like transition, but I did kind of go through something very similar. I went from having like really damaged curly hair to having really healthy curly hair, and there is a transition period during that time, so I'm going to share with you guys the 3 things I wish I knew before I transitioned. Just a few things. You guys know I recently launched my own merch. I'll show you the back of this one. This one is one of my favorite tees, and it is also one of the like #1 bestsellers. Anti-heat club with a little straightener on the back. This also comes in a sweater. I really love this tee. It's one of my faves. But I did launch a kids tee. It was highly requested, so that is up there. And I'm so excited. I launched, it's going to be only limited edition. It's only going to be for this summer, and then it's going to be gone. And that is the summer collection. So I did launch some bathing suits and a towel, a beach towel. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I already shared this on my Instagram. This bathing suit, super cute. This one, I bought a size medium, but we do have other sizes. So if you guys want to check this out, somebody even said that this is super cute in a bodysuit, so you don't have to wear it as a swimsuit, just as a really cute bodysuit. I've already modeled this over on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out. My merch is always linked in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. But I absolutely love the swimwear. I wore it out in Vegas and I got so many compliments. I loved it. So the reason why you're here, right? Okay. So my #1 tip. Now, no one really told me that this was going to happen. This happened and I slowly figured it out on my own that it was a completely natural thing. So what happened for me was I didn't really do the big chop. I literally transitioned. So my natural hair was growing out while my damaged hair was as well growing out on my ends. Now the area where your damaged hair meets your healthy hair, oh my gosh, no matter how much deep conditioner, no matter how much leave-in conditioner detangler you use, that area right there where it's damaged, it's super hard to detangle. It is super frizzy. Your curls there just do not cooperate. Right there where your healthy hair meets your damaged hair, it is rough. It was always so hard for me to detangle. When I would braid my hair like this, it would be hard to get my hands through to braid. That area was so tough. And it's literally just because there's a difference in texture of your hair. Like I said, no matter how much deep conditioner, no matter how much leave-in conditioner, how often you condition, no, nothing. It's all going to be really kind of like tough there. No matter how much, no matter what you do. It's just, unless you cut it, it's going to be a problem. So I always thought, oh my gosh, my hair is ugly. My hair is horrible. My hair is just why is my hair so hard to detangle? It's literally just that area where your hair meets. It's totally normal. Unless you cut it, there's really nothing that you can do other than try to just baby it and try to your best to use things that might help, like a deep conditioner and stuff, but it's rough. Now, the second one is that it's going to be trial and error for you to find the right products and the right tools for your hair specifically. Okay, so for instance, I know it's going to sound crazy, but for my hair, a Denman brush, what is it? The big famous one is now the Felicia what's her? I forgot. The brush with the best or something like that. I've already tried it out. That doesn't work. The Texture Pro brushes don't work very well for my hair. Wide tooth combs, picks, none of that helps me with detangling my hair. The best detangler for my hair is the Flexi brush. You guys have heard me talk about this. I find my hair works a lot better with a brush. Specifically the Flexi brush. I've been using that for a very long time. Actually, this is my second one. My other one broke, but I love the Flexi brush for detangling my hair. Another example I have is another thing that's so common is people love to use diffusers on their hair. diffusing my hair just turns it into a big, giant, frizzy mess. It does not work for me. And I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of curly girls use a diffuser in their curly hair routines when it does not work well for me. So sometimes it's literally going to be trial and error with tools along with hair products. Number 3 is kind of similar, but is people will follow beauty bloggers or, I don't know, anybody that they idolize or look up to, follow their routine to a T, and then will say it's not working for me. Just because other people rave about a certain product, or it's supposed to be good for curly hair, or it's #1 seller, top seller, or you feel everybody's talking about it, it still might not work for you. And that goes for regimens, that goes for routines. And that could be the order that you use your products or anything. So don't feel pressured because of what it seems like everybody else is using or what the popular hair product is. But specifically here, I'm talking about hair routines. So if you guys haven't seen my updated curly hair routine, I have been doing a lot of just water washing. And I know that that sounds so foreign to a lot of people, but it has been working really, really well for my hair. So something that just may seem totally out the box may work for you, but you can't base what will work for your hair off of others. You have to figure it out for yourself. Even the #1 hair product that everybody's recommending, it just might not work for you, and that's okay. It's going to take you a while to kind of get your specific regimen going and what works best for your hair. So don't feel pressured because everybody else is using these products or this is what this YouTuber says to use for their hair. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for your hair. I know it might sound crazy because I'm a YouTuber or like a blogger or whatever, but you guys know I keep it 100 here. I keep it real here. If you guys have questions, I'm always more than happy to help you out. But at the end of the day, you have to find out what works best for your hair and what will work for your hair. Of course, if you have nowhere to start, of course, here is great. But just keep it in mind that just because everybody else loves a product or a tool or whatever, that it's going to work for you. But if you aren't going to chop it, it's going to be a little bit rough. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Send them in the comment box down below. I always read my comments. So I'll catch you guys in my next video.